So where are we at, boys?
The beach!
El Capitan, Stevie.
I don't know what to say.
El Capitan.
Say it, El Capitan.
El Capitan.
Where are we at?
El Capitan.
Good job. So we're going on a hike. We're gonna go look for bears. Who's with me?
Me.
Okay. Be careful. There's zombies and witches.
Yes, I love them. I hope I get my engagement. Zombie.
We have to go this way.
Oh yeah.
Okay, everybody, stay in the middle, okay? Because if you get too close, you might fall off a cliff.
Oh my God, it's a big spider. I'm not kidding.
Oh.
It's climbing. Look.
Where?
Look.
Oh my goodness, look at that monster.
Wow.
Look at that monster.
I don't know what kind of. It's a Goliath spider.
That thing's huge. Okay, be careful with those spiders. Okay, let's go. Just be careful. Look on top for spiders now. Go, keep on going.
Is that the bear screaming?
That's the bear screaming.
No. It's not a bear.
Tsunami.
Oh my God! Do you see those two crews?
Oh yeah, look at those ships.
This way. Follow me. Okay. Let's do a count. Is everybody here? Alia here? Is Alia here? Is Emily here? Is Alexander here?
No.
No. Yes, he's finally gone. Ethan here?
Present.
Andrew, Juliana, Denise, Adrian. All right. We're all here.
Keep going.
Hi.
Is it too bright?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
Yummy.
I love you.
I love you. I'm in the dark.
Did you have fun today, guys?
Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
All right. Good night, boys.
Come next
Good night.